Wood over controlling earth. This is a very, very common diagnosis in our culture. In the world, but in our culture. Very common. The wood element corresponds to the liver. Okay. What happens is when the liver gets too big, it will attack the pancreas and or the stomach. So that's wood attacking the earth element. The wood is the grandmother in this case. Wood is the grandmother. So what happens is we get stress. First, it's going to affect the liver. It's going to send it to excess. In particular, we call this liver qi stagnation. We'll explain that next week, what that really is. But suffice it to say that the qi of the liver, instead of flowing smoothly throughout the body, gets stuck. When it gets stuck, it gets kind of angry. That's its emotion, literally. The emotion of the liver is anger. When people have liver imbalances, they tend to be angry. So then what will happen is that energy will build up and then it will attack the earth element. How many people here, when they get stressed, lose their appetite? How many people gain their appetite, get really hungry? How many people, sometimes it depends on what kind of emotion it is. Okay, right? But we've all fell into those different categories. When it attacks the pancreas, we lose our appetite because the pancreas is all about digestive functioning. Our digestive functioning gets depressed. But when it attacks the stomach, what happens is it creates heat in the stomach. When we have too much heat in the stomach, we get a stronger appetite. So then coming back to your question about the insulting with the grandmother. So if you're looking from the perspective of the wood, its grandmother would be metal. Metal controls wood. And so sometimes when this excessive liver happens, not only does it attack the earth, but it insults the metal, and then they start having coughing issues, breathing issues with stress. Right? How many people here, when you get stressed, you feel your chest tighten up and you have to really work to take a deep breath? Right? So common. That's wood insulting metal.